So here we go. Good morning, friends. I'm Jyoti Budhia. As you know that I'm in the stock market for more than 30 years. I'm the third generation in the stock market. And वैसे मुझे कोई पूछता है तो मैं बोलती हूँ आई एम हियर इन द स्टॉक मार्केट सिंस 1875. मैं वापस घूम के इधर ही आ जाती हूँ. So every time I take a rebirth and come in the stock market. So I love stock market that much. And that is why I remember all the rates. So we start here. Everybody doing futures and options know what is open interest, right? They've heard the word open interest. Open interest is if one person buys one lot, his interest is open in one lot. But since derivatives is a zero sum game, एक lot buy किसी ने किया है तो किसी ने बेचा भी होगा. Somebody must have sold. So it is a zero sum game, right? But how do we come to know that it was a buy trade or a sell trade? We don't know. There is one buyer, there is one seller. If there are 20 buyers, there are 20 sellers. So we don't know who actually a buy trade has taken place or a sell trade has taken place. So first let us understand how to find out whether we are in a buy trade or a sell trade. So open interest, with the help of open interest and price, both together, we have the interpretation that is open interest is up and price is also up. The indication is long built up. If price is down, open interest is also down, we call it as long unwinding. Why all these terminologies are used, I will tell you all. Open interest is up, price is down, it is short. Open interest is down, price is up, it's called short covering. Not able to see?
Now, economics is based on demand and supply. Everybody knows. मुझे इससे ज़्यादा economics. I'm not very much interested in demand decreasing or supply.
Hello. Hello, ma'am.
I cannot hear anything.
Same here, ma'am. We can't hear you. Hello.
Am I able? Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll
can hear.
repeat again. The demand and supply is based on how aggressive the person is, because pura market is depending on demand and supply. In demand and supply, demand increases, price increases, supply increases, price decreases. Right? Am I right? I am in futures, trading in futures. What should I know? Momentum. So what I generally see, before starting I will tell you all, afterwards I will explain you all. I will first show you all what does long built up and all this means. Who is aggressive? When there is a demand, who is aggressive? Buyers are aggressive. And if buyers are aggressive, they are ready to pay any price. Can I say that? So if they are ready to pay any price, means what? Sorry? Market will go up. Open interest is also increasing and price is also increasing. Right? And when buyers say, ki bhai, now I've got my profits, I'm not interested, I'm losing interest in this stock. He is losing, उसका interest खत्म हो रहा है, मतलब उसका interest down हो रहा है. So open interest is reducing, तो वो profit book करेगा तो price भी क्या होगा? Down हो जाएगा. Right? वहां से मुझे मार्केट खराब लग रहा है, तब क्या होगा? So I will go for demand or I will go for supply? I will short. So who is aggressive? Seller or buyer? Seller. If seller is aggressive, price will, I'm not interested to put a limit order. बेचो. तो once I do that selling, फिर क्या होगा? Price down and open interest is increasing because my interest is increasing in that stock to short. So open interest is increasing and price is decreasing. And when the price falls, what happens? Everybody starts panicking. Common public starts panicking. And what does an expert do? He will start buying at a lower level. So now his shorting interest is over. So open interest is reducing and price is moving up. So this is whole basically what we are trying to do. See, there is one concept in the market running. I don't know how did that word come. कि है ना, सामने कोई तो है जो प्राइस बढ़ा रहा है. Operator है, ये है, वो है. Means this word I hear very often. Have you ever seen that person? Did you meet that person? तो फिर आप कैसे बोलते हो कि कोई है जो बढ़ा रहा है, कोई है जो नीचे से ले रहा है, कोई है जो बाय कर रहा है, कोई है. So I call him Mr. India because he is invisible. Many people I see they trade on news, but many odd tips. So when we trade on news, what happens? We don't know whether the news is right or wrong. We are the last person to receive the news. I want to find out whether I'm the first. I should not be the first person, but I can be the second person. Because first person is always Mr. India. Right? आप कभी भी देखो न्यूज पहले उनके पास आती है, बाद में हमारे पास आती है, लेकिन हमारे पास लास्ट आती है. Now we want to be the second. We want to follow Mr. India. So whether we will come to know whether we are the first person or the last person, we have to study that. Otherwise, what will happen? As usual, when we buy, price starts falling. When we sell, price starts rising. कहानी घर घर की, सबके साथ यही होता है. और फिर हम लोग ये बोलते हैं, शिट यार, मैंने ही लिया तो लेते ही भाव गिर गया, मैंने बेचा और बढ़ गया. Right? Why? Because we are following a herd mentality. We are not following Mr. India. Can I say that? How to follow Mr. India? If what I'm trying to explain is the psychology behind the movement. We don't understand the psychology of the market, the psychology of the movement. हम अपना emotions बीच में और अपनी psychology बीच में ले आते हैं. And we get scared, we get panic, we get that euphoria of everybody is buying, oh I will lose out and all that thing. हम ये नहीं देख रहे कि मार्केट क्या कर रहा है, मार्केट क्या चाहता है. हम चाहते हैं कि हमने जो बाय किया है तो प्राइस ऊपर जाना ही चाहिए, और अगर हमने शॉर्ट किया है तो प्राइस जाना ही चाहिए नीचे. एंड व्हेन इट गोज अगेंस्ट अस वी फील वेरी बैड. व्हाई? बोला मार्केट किसी को कमाने नहीं देता है. वो क्यों कमाने देगा? आप कौन लगते हो मार्केट के? Did market invite you? No. You went to the market to earn. So you should know when you go to a shop to buy a mobile, you go and select it within a second. Anybody who can buy a mobile within a second and come back? You do a research for 2 to 3 days. Which is the best piece? Why should I use this? कितना इसमें रैम है, क्या है क्या नहीं. 2 days. What is the cost of mobile? 25,000, 30,000. Except iPhone, which comes of 70, 75,000. Voice is clear? So for 25, 30,000 अगर गलत मोबाइल आ गया तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है? नहीं बर्दाश्त होता ना. एंड वंस द मोबाइल कम्स, व्हाट वी डू, उस पे स्क्रैच गार्ड्स लगाते हैं, उस पे टेम्पर्ड ग्लास लगाते हैं, उसको अपने से ज्यादा अच्छे तरीके से रखते हैं. राइट? Our cupboard must not be that neat and clean, that much the mobile is neat and clean. इतना हम 25,000 रुपए की चीज के लिए करते हैं, but when we are buying a lot of 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs, we don't even bother of even studying for 5 minutes whether where it is going up or it is going down. Just pressing the button and trading. Am I right? Why? Tell me how much everybody knows about a mobile piece. They do the research on the web, then only they come to know. But stock market, when you are buying a lot, you know about the lot, right? You know about stock market, so you can't do a research. Now, where can I see this long built up and short built up? In QuantSap, there is an application you all can download. Everybody, those who don't have QuantSap, can download this app. In this app, you have future built up, which is almost live. Almost live means even if you go anywhere, even on your live screen, it is 3 minutes delayed. It does not update every second, it updates every 3 minutes. We have tried and tested that. So if you check it on QuantSap also, you have a future built up. In that future built up, you will have long built up, you will have long unwinding, you will have short built up, you have short covering. Okay? How to see it otherwise, I will show you. I will take you all to go to home page. nseindia.com. I'll just explain you all how to see it. And when you see the long built up, short built up, what does it indicate and how actually, see in QuantSap you are seeing it, what is the long built up, long unwinding. But how to understand whether it is a long built up or long unwinding, I'll explain you all. Go down, take any stock, go to derivatives quote. So what I'm getting is, can you see the change in open interest? It is positive or negative? Visible over there? It is positive, means it is up. Huh? And price is up. So what does it come in? Long built up. Okay. Take any other stock. Let's say any. We'll take randomly. I'm taking some stocks. I don't know what to do after that. I'll explain you all. What is this? Minus means open interest is down. Price is, what category does it come in? Short covering. Got it? See, it is so simple. You can check it that. Are you able? कौन सा ऐप में है? Yes. ये एवरी मोमेंट भी चेंज होता है. I'll explain you how to see it. Sir, audio is not lost. There is some problem. Karan bhai, audio okay? We'll take NTPC. See, here you can go and see. I'm showing you all. This is derivatives. Go and select 28 March. Get data. You can see, oh, change in open interest is and price is up. Long built up. In L&T there was a trade. I will explain you how there was a trade. No, L&T FH में एक ट्रेड है, वो मैं बाद में बताऊँ. RBL में क्या देख रहे हैं आप? ओपन इंटरेस्ट, प्राइस, शॉर्ट्स. So very simple way to understand this. So this was just a brief I was giving you all to see, right? Now when I said L&T app, see those who are, I'm saying app will show, but the thing I'm telling you, if suppose you want to understand how it is going, you can check this. How does the app work? The theory behind the app, I'm showing you this. App is showing you continuously. So app को छोड़ना मत आप. Because Shubham has done a lot of work on this. His team has done a lot of work on this. And it is a marvelous app. Everything is available. उससे पैसा बनाना अपना काम है. Got it? This is just to show you. NSE India is delayed by 5-10 minutes. But app is not delayed. It is only delayed by 3 minutes. That is the normal tendency, because even when I do it on the trading terminal, if I see F6, I get to see the open interest. When I click on F6 of that particular F&O stock, say RBL Bank ka F&O stock, I click F6, I can see open interest as well as price. I can understand, but that also is 3 minutes delayed. It doesn't update every second. So an app is live. Why I'm showing you? Suppose if by any chance any day your app is not working or something, you all can understand by this. And how does the app work? That also you can understand by this. वही तो है, ये ऐप है ना, उससे कम हो ही, बिकॉज एक्सचेंज से डेटा इतना 3 मिनट के बाद ही अपडेट करता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड लाइव. दैट इज कॉल्ड लाइव. इतना फास्ट ओपन इंटरेस्ट आप नहीं देख सकते चेंज होते हुए. इट इज नॉट वेरी इजी. So what do I see? After a short built up, if it is a short covering, as I said, there was a trade in LTFH, right? What has happened? Can you see something over here? As I explained in the webinar also, open was gap up opening. Can you see? Opening was gap up opening. Previous close was 43.75. It opened at 45.40. So it's a gap up opening. Did the low go below the close price? Did the low go if I get a open and low as same, that is nothing like that. But if I get this also, did it go below the close price? No. Means what? There is a strength. And secondly, I am seeing a short covering. Got it? Can I buy this with a stop loss of day low, yesterday's close, or today's low के नीचे? Can I do that? If this इसमें ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं है, only 50 पैसे का फर्क है, so I can take little more and as an SL and try. Friday, Thursday's close.
Normally the 30 minutes, last 30 minutes for
Average नहीं, futures and options में ऐसा नहीं होता. This is future price.
so it is close means close, actual close, not that average wala close.
F&O में futures में you have the actual close. You don't have an average close. Only in cash market you have an average close.
Last price, right?
Sorry?
The price shows the last day's price.
थोड़ा जोर से बोलिए ना, सब लोग सुनेंगे.
Sorry, the last day price है.
Yeah.
बराबर?
Yeah.
तो अभी आप बोल रहे हैं आप लोग को buy करना है.
हाँ.
तो वो next day morning के बाद से.
अब next day morning at 9:30 what I see?
Okay, that's what you're saying.
I'm seeing what I'm seeing. Arey, today there is a short covering. And short covering along with the price has gap up open,
Okay.
and it should be either open low or it should not have gone below yesterday's close or yesterday's, something that way,
Okay.
right?
So the time what we are seeing, we're assuming it at 9.
I'm not trading at 9:30 also. I'll be trading at 9:40 after 9:45 or 10. It's not necessary. Sometimes my trade starts also at 2 o'clock. Unless and until I get a clear signal, I will not trade. I'm not in a hurry to trade. नहीं trade मिलेगा तो पूरे दिन trade नहीं करूँगी. जबरदस्ती trade नहीं करना है. Every day you can make money. It's not possible. And at a time, you cannot, if you are trading, you're in a position, you cannot track more than 3 or 4 stocks. If you are in a position, you cannot monitor more than 3 or 4 stocks. अगर कोई बोलता है कि मैं 10 stocks monitor कर सकता हूँ at a time, फिर पूरा पैसा नहीं मिलता है. Am I right? Delivery base कितना भी कर सकती हूँ. I don't have to track every second. But futures and options are very delicate. I have to be type of live in the market when I'm doing futures. Because 1 rupee difference is equal to 1,000 rupees or 5,000 rupees as the lot is. So अगर ये immediately 5 रुपया नीचे गिर गया तो फिर मेरा तो बहुत नुकसान हो जाएगा. Got it? I have some chat questions. Let me see what it is there.
This should have been a trade for Friday. Elena's trade, that is what you're saying, right?
Yes.
And ये part कब के chances है long build up में convert होने के?
Hmm?
ये शॉर्ट कवरिंग जो एकदम पर इसका चांसेस है लॉन्ग बिल्डअप में कन्वर्ट।
Will come. I don't know. See, one thing, don't predict. Always remember one thing, don't predict.
If this can also be captured by the short term, मजा आ जाएगा।
क्या?
तो gap along that short covering.
I've told them to try this.
Last webinar.
In the webinar only I told openly. Ha. And Amit also said, yes, madam, we will try.
यहाँ हमारे घूमने की जरूरत नहीं है, once there is a get that, you go for it.
Yeah. See, significant change in OI is approximately what I'm looking is 2-3%. 0.5% change does not make any value. 2-3% I'm looking at least a change in OI. Compared to, because see, if there are 50 lakh open interest, so how much is the 3%? 1.5 lakhs. अब इतना भी change नहीं हुआ, तो फिर there is no sense in trading that stock. Got it?
So all the there is many chances that the first half an hour or 1 hour stock may go up and then
That's why I'm saying, no. When do I understand its consistency? It has gone up, opened a gap up, it went down, but it didn't go below the yesterday's close. Not even touched that. Or it is a open low, still maintaining. See, why does a stock open gap up? There is no something news or something must be there which has made it open gap up. Some positive thing must be there overnight which has made it open gap up. Why? Because someone is buying in big quantity. He is ready to buy it open. If he feels he has done wrong, what he will do? He will leave. और गलती हो गया, चलो छोड़ दो. The price will fall. And if he is sure, he will not let the price fall. And if it is a short covering, then now I'll tell you all one thing. यहाँ तक I hope सबको समझ में आया होगा because it was just a briefing of what I've done. प्रदीप सर, आपको यहाँ पे किसी को ऐसा है कि यहाँ तक नहीं समझा हो? All are clear till here? Because it was just a briefing of what I've done. Basically, now this what line I'm telling you all, I have not read in any books. I have not read anywhere. I have not been taught by anyone. It is my observation which I'm sharing. I work on that basis. It goes 70 to 80 times right, not necessary 100 times. But this is what I have observed, that when you have two types of trend, this is long built up. Can I say that? This is long unwinding. This is long built up. Long unwinding. Long built up. Long unwinding. Can I say that? Am I right? This is short built up. This is short covering. This is long short built up. This is short covering. Short built up. Short covering. Everybody understand this? This is a trend. This is what a trending trend. Right? Those who know technicals, it is called as impulse wave. Those who don't understand technicals, it is a trend. Trending trend. Right? And this is a contra trend. Reversal trend or a contra trend. I will not call it reversal, I'll call it more as contra trend, where there is a profit booking. So in normal language, what we say, either buying है, ये buying है, और ये profit booking है. Technical people say, this is impulse wave, this is corrective wave. Right? I have observed this rally as 8 to 10% and this as 4 to 5%. This is purely my observation. I'll explain you with examples. 2-1% ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है. Same way, if I say this will be around 8 to 10 and this will be around 4 to 5. Sir, any doubt? Getting it? After this, what if I get a short covering? I can get approximately 4 to 5%. It doesn't happen in a day, huh? आप ऐसा मत सोचना एक ही दिन में मिल जाएगा. But how to hold it, I will tell you all. 4 to 5% cover हो गया. We are at a bottom. What is the probability it can go up also, it can go down also, 50-50, right? If it enters into long built up. So this is what short covering and this has entered into long built up. I can get a rally of 8 to 10%. Means if I've got the stock not here but somewhere here, still I can manage to get 12 to 14%. Isn't that fair enough? Giving you an example, 19th February, VEDL was 147 when the news came that one plant in South has been shut down. The price was at 147. Everything oversold. Next day, open low. That is 20. From there, the short covering started. First is 4-5% and then went to long built up, around 10%. How much is the price? Just calculate and tell me from 150, give me 15%, how much it is? Sorry? 174 we have seen one of VDL last week in the matter of from 20 February to in this week. Have we seen that? After that, if you have seen, it has come in long unwinding. So from 174, 177, it came back to 170. Again, I am giving you of ultra. On 20 of February, it was 3410.15 was the low. Short covering started. Add 15%, कितना होता है? करीब 4000 होता है. 4154. 2 days back 4154 और वहां से वापस लॉन्ग अनवाइंडिंग 5% कितना होता है? 200 रुपए, यानी कि आ गया. कल देख लिया आपने, है या नहीं है? चलो प्रूफ चाहिए, दिखाती हूँ. आप स्टॉक्स बोलो, मैं बताती हूँ किसमें हुआ है. So that is why I'm saying it is my observation. I'm not committing, I'm not giving any guarantee. I'll show you. And it doesn't happen in a day. Let's say we'll take cash prices because I use cash price to understand the movement, because futures are discounted or whatever, sometimes premium, sometimes discount. Everybody has seen the charts. wherever I put my cursor on that day, this is the open, this is the high, this is the low, this is the close.
Is it day
Ja-
chart or special? Day chart?
Huh?
Day chart?
This is daily chart. Here it is mentioned as a daily chart. Those who have Falcon can see it on Falcon. Those who have don't have any charts can see it on investing.com. Right? There are various charts you can see. What is the day? 19 February. What is the price? What price did it open? 0.15. And what is the low?
3410.15.
Open low is there? Right? From there till where did it go? Right? अब इधर से 5% माइनस करो. Can you see automatically that this is long built up? Short covering से long built up में गया है. Can you see that? And I hope everybody knows little bit of technicals, right? So you all must have heard about RSI. Yes? So can you all see that price is making a lower low or same low, but RSI is making a higher low. So I'm also getting a positive divergence along with short covering. मतलब 5% वहां से लॉन्ग बिल्टअप में चला गया तो ये 5% कितना होता है? 3410 से लॉ 5% कितना होता है? मतलब करीब 3600. यहाँ पे मुझे वापस ओपन लो दिख गया ऑलमोस्ट. कैन आई गो फॉर लॉन्ग नाउ? 10%. वहां से वापस नीचे. RSI is come below 70 with long unwinding. Yes. It is very simple. You take any stock, Bank of Baroda. What was the low? 98 rupees. 98, right? What is the high now? 106.17. कितना परसेंट है? Leave everything aside. Nifty 10,604 was the closing of 19 February, right? Short covering, long built up, 10% ऊपर हो गया. पहले अभी 5% बाकी है. नहीं नोटिस किया?
अभी सोच रहा हूँ आपने
आप चेक कर लो. 19 फरवरी 604 पे बंद हुआ है. वहां से 10% ऊपर हो गया.
I don't understand. Thing is, how do you catch it? That's
My study.
no, that's the key, right?
How do you catch it? Now see. Again I'm saying my observation. There is a cycle of long built up, short built up. Short built up, short covering. ये पूरा एक साइकिल है. मार्केट भागा, कोई भी प्राइस भागा फॉर अ सर्टेन टाइम. अप डाउन बहुत भाग लिया. आप भी बहुत भागते हो. से 2 घंटे आपने भाग लिया. You have ran for 2 hours. So how much time do you need to rest and again start your journey? How much time do you need? At least 1 hour. 1 hour if you rest again, you are ready to run for 2 hours. Can I say that way? हाँ? अगर आप 2 दिन फुल डे नाइट काम करते हैं तो 1 दिन का रेस्ट आपको बनता है. Same way market. If it Nifty was running from July, August, September, October, November and up to 15 December, that is 6 months. So it took a rest for 3 months from 15. When was the election results? 10/3/3/3, 7 or 8th of December, right? 6 months running हो गया, तो उसको 3 months का रेस्ट चाहिए. And see, after 8th of March, it blasted. 12th of March से चालू हो गया इसकी रैली. I will come to all this. But see, what the thing is, I'm coming to that again. Don't worry. And recording आपके पास रहेगी. And one more thing I will tell you all. If I get too many queries, I will keep one more webinar and explain everything to you all. Don't worry. अगर ऐसा queries रहा कि भाई आप लोग का sort out नहीं हुआ है, I will keep a special webinar for 2 hours and sort out all your queries. Don't worry. पूछो ना.
पहले आपने एक्सेल शीट में मुझे बताया लॉन्ग बिल्डअप शॉर्ट बिल्डअप and before that you said for any transaction there are two people involved,
Yeah.
buyer and the writer.
And who is aggressive?
So when I'm looking at the chart and you are saying long buildup हो रहा है,
Means who is aggressive?
तो मेरे को किसकी नजर से देखना है?
आपको किसकी नजर से नहीं देखना है. प्राइस ऊपर जा रहा है कि नीचे जा रहा है. लॉन्ग
ऊपर जा रहा है, हम बोल रहे हैं लॉन्ग बिल्डअप हो रहा है.
आपको स्क्रीन में दिख रहा है ना लॉन्ग बिल्टअप है. हु इज एग्रेसिव?
अगर मैं राइटर हूँ तो
राइटर नहीं, मैं ऑप्शन की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. मैं आप सेलर हो. हाउ आपने इसमें पैसा कमाया अगर आप शॉर्ट हो तो? Yeah. If you have shorted, have you earned money? So will you short it? Right now we are in future. I'm not taking you to option right now. Futures में भी तो एक buyer एक seller होगा. Derivatives is zero sum game. So what I'm mixing is, when I said I will teach you all with charts. So I'm not taking charts into detail. But can I take this to understand where there is a positive divergence? A short and short covering starting, I can take for a 5%. Means what?
What is positive divergence?
You have seen technical analysis?
Not much.
Okay. You know RSI? So what happens? Prices makes lower low or same low, and RSI makes higher low.
What is RSI here?
This is RSI. Here it is below 30, and here it is above 30. So it is making higher low.
Price movement was not much, but RSI was
Price movement was same, or price made lower low. But strength नीचे से strong है ना. कोई undertone में buying कर रहा है. Somebody is buying from. Got it? So there's a strength. I don't know who is buying. Mr. India is buying.
Three things for short term. One is gap.
I'm not yet finished. अभी शाम को summarize करेंगे तब और चीजें mix हो जाएगी.
पीरियड में समराइज करोगे तो पकड़ जाता है.
अच्छा पकड़ जाते हैं. बोलिए.
One is
थोड़ा जोर से बोलिए तो recording हो जाएगा.
one is for short covering.
हाँ?
One is check for gap up. Point one.
No, it's not necessary gap up. I want either gap up or open low. There are 3 points. Either open and low is same, or low is not below yesterday's close.
And third is RSI positive divergence.
If वो साथ में combination मुझे मिल जाए
तो बढ़िया है.
बहुत बढ़िया है.
तो ये सब फटाफट देखना है मतलब.
फटाफट क्यों? डेली है. It's not intraday 5 minutes chart. It is a daily chart. See, what I do is I do my homework. Every day after market, I do my homework for 2 hours. If you sit and do your homework for 2 hours, forget about this. यहाँ तक if the candle was there yesterday, did you notice there is a positive divergence? Forget आगे का. So I'm ready with my homework.
Okay.
Tomorrow the moment if I see this,
तो आप कल एग्जैक्टली क्या करोगे? ये हमने होमवर्क कर लिया.
अभी मैं कल ये काउंटर पे रखूंगी ना ये स्टॉक, and I'll have a watch.
But how do you pick that? It's only after time you are going to do homework. I mean, there are very soft, right?
I have the list of long built up, short built up, na? Your concept is showing you long built up, short built up.
What is that? I keep changing. Every half an hour it keep changing.
No. At the end of the 1 second. At the end of the day, when I see the charts also. Now forget every application, forget everything. Can I see this as a short built up? Right?
No, I'm
1 second. Now just come to charts. I'm seeing it as a short built up. After that, I've seen some short and long and everything mixed. Now what I'm seeing, short covering.
My question is not that. I fully understand that Ultratech. How do I choose Ultratech?
Screening the share, which stock you take for end of the day study.
There are many stocks.
Quant say what we saying, madam. Quant.
I have told 1 second, one app I've given you all. If one is high low also, you can go to that.
Until next day opening.
Yeah, it will tell you which is high, open low or open high.
That is the next day opening. But previously when you're doing your homework, then which
So
stock,
there are 80 stocks
yeah,
which has liquidity in options.
very true. But which stocks you take? All 80 stocks you're not going to study.
मैडम 3 चुनना है out of that 80 or whatever. तो 3
How do I select that?
हम पहले से
My
शॉर्ट
question is
कितने
that.
करेंगे? 10 करेंगे. चलो मान लिया 10 करेंगे. पहले 10.
हाँ
आज के लिए आज रात को बैठ के 10 शॉर्टलिस्ट किया.
हाँ
कल हम सिर्फ ओपन लो और वो गैप अप देखेंगे.
हाँ
दो चीज देखेंगे.
हाँ, मैं अभी तो स्टार्ट की हूँ सर.
मैं आगे बढ़.
आप लोग आगे चले गए.
नहीं, इसका क्वेश्चन है end of the day के लिए कैसे स्टॉक्स है?
अभी तो मैं स्टॉक सिलेक्शन पे आई कहाँ हूँ. अभी तो मैजिक बाकी है सर. पिक्चर अभी बाकी है. तभी तो मैं हंस रही हूँ. क्या होता है ना हम लोग के साथ, somebody asked me open and low, the meaning, the price at which the stock opens, say 3410.15, and that is the low of today. उसके नीचे प्राइस गया ही नहीं. So can I call it open and low same? And same way if the price, see I'm not using 15 or 30 minutes right now. So please don't do all this. There is actually in market there is no parameter called as overbought and oversold. And next question is, करण भाई चार्ट्स दिख रहे हैं? Screen is not freeze sir, everything is visible, chart is visible. Screen is not freeze sir, you all are asking screen is freeze, it is not. I've muted everyone. Let me see any more chats में कोई doubts है तो. Yeah, I've unmuted all. Don't worry.
Query to all whether everybody can listen or
No. Karan is sitting.
Reference.
आपका thermometer.
See, at the most, how many stocks do you have in F&O? 203, out of which 50 are not tradable. Forget it. I don't trade in stocks like Arcom and all that thing. JP Associates, Arcom, Suzlon, they are not in my zone. So 50 I've removed from them. Now कितना बचा? 150. उसमें से भी only 50, 60, 70 have options in them. Right? Means liquid options in them. So if I do only in that, so my screening for 50, 60s, I'll give you the list, don't worry. आपको जो चाहिए मैं देने को तैयार हूँ, सिर्फ पैसे के, पैसा आपको कमाना पड़ेगा. I'll give you the list. You choose your stocks. But the study should be regular. See what I'm saying, how I put it in this way, I'll put it in a very simple way. How much percentage do you expect from your children to get in the boards? कितना percentage marks expect करते हो? Come on. 95? 105. Right? Everybody expects at least 80-90% from their children in the boards to get it. Have we got 80-90% anytime in the school? Then how can we expect it from them? Okay. Chalo, that also leave it apart. बच्चे स्कूल जाते हैं पूरे साल, स्कूल का होमवर्क, उसके बाद ट्यूशन जाते हैं, ट्यूशन का होमवर्क, मतलब दोनों जाके आके घर पे होमवर्क करते हैं. एंड टिल दे डू दैट होमवर्क, you don't give them TV to watch, mobile to play, or let them go down and play. And with so much studies, you expect 90% from them. Am I right? We want our strike rate to be also 80-90%. And what about studies? How much is the studies? Do you all also study the same way? If you also give at least, see, your market time is what? From 9:15. I'm giving you lot many examples, don't worry. In market, timing is 9:15 to 3:30. After 5 o'clock, when all the data comes, can't you spare 2 hours only to understand this? If you are ready with your homework, you can also get 80-90%. How can we just imagine to get 80-90% and we can dream of 80-90% and get 80-90%? Then your money will also come in your dreams only. If you want real money, so real practice should be done. Got it? See, ऐसा नहीं है कि you cannot take out 2 hours. Whatever time you reach home, if you want, whatever, see, this is your business. In a business, every person who has a business takes care of his business. Study what is the development. Then why you all don't study in the stock market about the developments? What's the harm? True? Yes.
So in other words, we need to scan at least 50-60 stocks.
What do you mean by scanning? Why don't you study a single stock of 80-90 at least once a week?
Not automatic scanning.
Once a week at least study each and every stock at 80-90. Once a week. And on daily basis, just tuck, you can...
Anyone study means all this, right?
Yeah.
Open the chart.
No. You open this chart.
What is happening?
See, 1 second. You open this chart. Once a week you can study this chart. Can you see what is the position? Long built up, short built up. हाँ ठीक है, ये इतना आया, इतना आया, इतना आया. When it started, okay. हाँ भाई, बराबर ये 5% गिरा कि नहीं गिरा. Open another stock. Let's say Can Bank. What has happened to Can Bank? Short built up. How much is the short built up? Can you tell me? From year to year. 30 and 15 कितना होता है? $13, $30, 45 rupees. What is the low? Approximately short built up. A long unwinding to short built up. हुआ है? फिर यहाँ पे मुझे क्या दिखा? उसके बाद ये क्या दिखा? Open and low same. कब दिखा? So what is my first target? 5%. हुआ? जितना ज्यादा हो जाए तो अच्छी बात है. Got it? मिला ना? उसके बाद लॉन्ग बिल्ट अप 10%. कितना होता है? 15%. 15% from 210 कितना होता है?
30 रुपए जाता है, 240।
240। क्या भाव चल रहा है?
65।
ज्यादा मिल जाए तो अच्छा है।
Short unwinding converted into long.
Yes. Short covering converted to long built up.
5 और 10% that is what you're saying.
5 approximately. Yeah, approximately. See, 5% पे आपको ये दिखा है, right?
ये आपने 5 का पकड़ लिया, ये आपको क्लियर है।
हाँ, इसके बाद मुझे क्या दिखा?
इसके बाद आपको one more time.
यहाँ पे क्या है? 1st March को open low. It's entering into long built up. If screen is showing me long built up after short covering, means ये तो मैंने ले ही लिया, अब ये लेने को तैयार हो गए।
उधर तक 5.
हाँ,
Could we see another long unwinding also maybe?
अभी कहाँ स्टार्ट हुआ?
Start नहीं हुआ
But yes, you can now see what is somebody is saying long unwinding के लिए ready है क्या? Now you have tracked this, you have studied it today, so tomorrow you will see इसमें long unwinding या open high हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है. You are ready with that? So once a week तो भाई कर सकते हो अच्छे से study. वैसा है इसमें, और इसमें जितना पैसा है इसमें इतना किसी में नहीं है.
No, now at this point, when we have reached here,
Yeah,
now we are looking at like a long unwinding.
I'm looking at long unwinding if it happens.
So if it opens open high,
Yeah,
and
then only.
okay,
Or-
but that would be one criteria.
Or gap down.
Yes, then,
And plus,
or gap down fine. And when exactly do I look at the open interest? When-
साथ में ही,
साथ में. So it will be only when that open high happens, that time should
along with short का long unwinding,
So immediately when I see
at least
open high,
3% of long unwinding.
then I
मैडम that W वाला तो दोनों एंड के बीच में नो ट्रेड जोन है।
वही तो मैंने कहा कि 50% जो अगर 1 month ये रनिंग है तो ये हाफ 15 days का
तो नीचे का जो लो है ना लोअर एंड ये और उसके बीच वाला जो नो ट्रेड जोन है ना,
yeah, that I will explain you how to track that also.
तो आप उसके बारे में बात नहीं कर रहे।
मैंने क्या नहीं, मैंने नो ट्रेड जोन नहीं बोला है, मैंने डाइवर्जेंस बोला है.
लेकिन वो दो के बीच में कुछ नहीं करना।
नहीं करना है क्योंकि मुझे कुछ दिख रहा है.
तो शांत पे
और क्यों नहीं दिख रहा है वो मैं आपको बाद में बताऊंगी पोस्ट लंच. अभी तो जोड़ी भाव का मैजिक बाकी है ना भाई. तो ऐसे ही थोड़ी जोड़ी भाव दे दूंगी, लंच के बाद दूंगी ना.
Basically, what you're saying is that
Speak little loudly so everybody can hear.
so what you're saying is that after the market, we look at what happened to the open interest, what direction it moved, and what direction price moved. And let's say if I decide figure out if this stock is going into long unwinding or this is going into long build-up. So then next day, look at the price equal to gap up or open high open low. That's how it works.
Don't get confused, friends. I can understand. जब ट्रेडिंग सिंपल हो जाती है तो क्वेरीज बढ़ जाती है. Because we are not used to so simple trading. And it becomes unbelievable कि how prices can move so simply. We cannot simplify trading so well. So I know जब आपको formulas दिए जाते हैं ना, you can break them. But when the simplicity comes, you all come in confusion. And one big disclaimer I would give you all that today, only by today's session, no one is going to become the master of stock market. So from Monday, ऐसा नहीं है कि बटन दबाओ माल लाओ. You need a very strong practice. I request you all, don't trade F&O tomorrow. Please. No F&O means the way you all are trading, you do whatever you want. But what you have learned today, I don't want anybody to trade F&O tomorrow. Try with 5 or 10 quantity in cash market with the same parameter. Sir, options, whatever you're asking, I will do it post lunch. Don't worry. Let me complete with futures. So what I'm trying to say, do 5 or 10 in cash, right? And once you do with 5 and 10 and get me a strike rate of 70%. If you are able to achieve with the parameter, don't say कि अरे 5 share है इतना ही profit मिला, वो नहीं. If you are taking 10 shares and the lot size is of 1000, so in 1000 you are making 5000 profit. So in 10 shares you will make 50 rupees profit. Your parameter will be that. If you are 70% right, go to 50, quantity of 50. If you are right again 70%, go to a quantity of 100. If you are again right 70%, then you start doing a lot, but according to the system. Got it? Somebody is asking me for HCL chart. Let us see. Now, can you understand what? At the top, what have you seen? What have you seen at the top? You have seen divergence at the top? ये देखिए RSI. Can you see top में prices made a new high or same high? RSI is not made a same high. Sir, chance देता है market. नहीं देता है मत करो ना. करना क्या जरूरी है? नहीं करोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? ज्यादा से ज्यादा आज का प्रॉफिट नहीं आएगा, लेकिन अगर कर लोगे और लॉस हो गया तो वो पैसा वापस आएगा क्या?
मैडम, मेरा ये क्वेश्चन है आपसे कि the green candle before that sell off, इससे पहले वाला candle,
ये
right? Divergence यहाँ भी मुझे दिख रहा है.
हाँ तो
Okay, now I am looking at it. I am looking at a chart on that day at 3:15.
Yeah.
Will I get between the 3:15 and 3:30?
No.
Any information about a build-up, or should I consider that? Or should I
First, tell me. After this rally, I'm at top.
Yeah.
Will I take this trade?
No, I won't take this.
बस तो फिर forget it. If you have missed the bus, don't try to catch the bus.
No, just a prior information is what I'm looking at.
Now what you're seeing? You're seeing it as at the top.
Yeah.
Keep a track. कौन से दिन unwinding start होती है?
तो unwinding normally उसी दिन शाम को दिखती है या दूसरे दिन?
नहीं, मुझे अगर आज शाम को दिखी तो भी नहीं करना है. अभी मुझे यहाँ पे चांस नहीं मिला ना. निफ्टी आई विल टेक लेटर. मंजुनाथ सर, आई टेक निफ्टी लेटर. निफ्टी का केस ही अलग है. यू विल एंजॉय व्हेन आई टेक निफ्टी. डोंट वरी. इसने क्या किया है? गैप डाउन खोला है, ऊपर ले गया, yesterday इसका हाई क्रॉस कर दिया. It's not my trade. Even if I see it in long unwinding, I will not trade. But when will I trade? I will not leave this.
High and open as.
ये मेरे रडार पे आ गया कि now I will track this. ये मेरे रडार पे आ गया. बट ट्रेड कभी करना है जब मुझे कंफर्मेशन मिले तब.
Confirmation is open high or
Open high or gap down opening or something that way. Getting it? रुको तो वह मैं सब कुछ वापस रिपीट करूंगी जितने भी कंडीशंस है, और रिकॉर्डिंग आपके पास है. आप लोग 50 बार सुनना. और वापस मैं आप लोग को बोलती हूँ, मेरा 1 महीने का सपोर्ट आप लोग के साथ में है, क्योंकि मुझे मालूम है कि ये नहीं याद होने वाला. शाम तक आधा से ज्यादा वाइप आउट हो जाएगा.
मैम, वो हमारे क्राइटेरिया में फिट तो कर रहा है.
हाँ.
वो गैप डाउन खुला है वहाँ पे.
ये गैप अप है, ये गैप डाउन खुला है
जी,
लेकिन इससे इमीडिएटली ऊपर आ गया. गैप खत्म कर दिया, so it's not in my criteria.
That's what when I open it the next day and it opens gap down, so it sits in my parameter in the way that the RSI has got a divergence.
But I don't trade before 10 o'clock, na?
That's what
I don't want to trade at 9:15. Got it? See, I'm a very slow trader. I'll give you a small example. I've given in webinar also. I'll again repeat that example. We go to a mall. We take 2 or 3 t-shirts or shirts. Do we select exactly those 2-3 t-shirts? No. We first select 15-20. Out of that we sort out 8-10 and then go to the trial room and then finalize 3-4 t-shirts. Right? The whole process takes around 2 hours. The cost of those t-shirts is 10,000 approximately or 15,000 approximately if it is a branded. For that 15,000 we have spent 2 hours. And to make 15,000 you can't spend 2 hours. Huh? Key is what to do. How to go. Yeah, so see what the thing is, directly if I tell you what to do and how to do, you won't understand. So let me first teach you all ABCD and all. Then I will teach you all how to make sentence. Then I'll teach you all how to make a essay, right? And then you can read the book and make your own summarized version. So, abhi to any doubts till here? But the doubt in the sense is what I've shown. And see from here, can you see 5% fall? ज्यादा नहीं बोलूंगी, सिर्फ 5% फॉल मिला है. हो गया काम मेरा. See, that's what I said. I have not read in any books. I have not seen anyone talking. This is my observation which I'm sharing with you. How genuine it is. If y'all can cooperate with me, go and study and tell me back. कि भाई नहीं, आपने जो सिखाया है बिल्कुल गलत है, तो मैं और मेहनत करूंगी. वैसे तो मैं मेहनत करने से रोज ही करती हूँ. मैं रोज जब 2 घंटा बैठती हूँ तो कुछ ना कुछ समझ में आता ही आता है. और आप यही चार्ट को रोज देखो तो कुछ ना कुछ समझ में आएगा एवरीडे. Yes or no? If you stay with one person in the family for the first day, do you know its behavior? After 10 years? बस वही तो चाहिए. आप एक के साथ बैठो ना. नहीं, वो जरूरत से ज्यादा मत समझना, नहीं तो और धुलाई होती है. मैं समझ रही हूँ आपका इशारा किधर है. वो अगर आपको समझ में आ गया ना तो आप बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम में आ जाओगे. Tech Mahindra. Let me show you, but Tech Mahindra. Divergence. आया 5% नीचे. Yes. आया 778 से क्यों घूमा? नोट करके रखना, मैं लंच के बाद बताऊंगी. हाँ, टाइटन. ये 78 से क्यों घूमा? आई विल शो यू. Sometimes even I get surprised. Long built up. कितना आया? 5% नीचे. बहुत टाइम लिया, वापस ऊपर चला गया. 10% हो गया ना, 100 रुपीज ऊपर आया ना। जब तक मेरे को नेगेटिव सिग्नल नहीं मिलेगा तब तक लॉन्ग अनवाइंडिंग नहीं दिखेगा, मैं कैसे शॉर्ट करूं? सर हम लोग आगे की सोच रहे हैं। I always say don't go ahead of Mr. India. Follow the leader. Don't go ahead of the leader if you'll get lost. लीडर ने पीछे से टर्न ले लिया तो, लीडर ने पीछे से दूसरा रास्ता ले लिया तो, if you are following the leader you will be with him. Got it?
So as of now there is no.
As of now there is nothing.
No clarity.
No clarity. Someone is asking एक्सिस बैंक में भी डाइवर्जेंस है, फिर भी वो ऊपर गया। सर उसमें डाइवर्जेंस है लेकिन अभी तक इसने कहीं पे भी आपको ओपन हाई दिखाया है क्या? देखिए डाइवर्जेंस है लेकिन मेरे पैरामीटर में आया है क्या? कहीं पे भी गैप डाउन खुल के, इफ यू सी इन द पास्ट आई विल शो यू, इट हैज ओपनड गैप अप, it has opened gap down but came back again. It has opened gap down, it has opened gap up but came down again. Did it go as open low या कल का जो क्लोज था उसको क्रॉस किया नहीं किया हो, ऐसा सीन है नहीं है?
मैडम वो बीच वाला जो रेड कैंडल है ना ओपन, उसके आगे वाला, हाँ वो भी है और उसके आगे भी।
ये दिन आप ट्रेड ले सकते हो, ये दिन ट्रेड ले सकते हो, बाकी दिन आप ट्रेड नहीं ले सकते। नहीं ले सकते। कहाँ पे आपका ट्रेड किधर है? हाँ
ट्रेड कैन फेल,
ट्रेड कैन फेल, इसीलिए तो स्टॉप लॉस यूज करते हैं हम लोग। ओके यहां से यहां कितना फॉल है? कम ऑन, आपने खोला है तो चलो बताती हूँ। यहां से यहां तक कितना फॉल है? 730 से लेके 660 तक 7-8% हो गया। यहां से यहां तक का कितना राइज है? 630 से 15% है। I just enjoy the market. We never noticed this, na? Anybody notice this?
Short covering plus long bid up करके पकड़ा।
Friends, can we take a 5 minutes का break? Everybody needs it. आप भी जरा fresh हो लो. Yes, friends. What say? 5 minutes break. Thank you so much. Don't disconnect. Now, before lunch, I want to finish one concept, that is Jodi Bhav. Why I call it, everybody call it as Jodi Bhav. I also call it as Jodi Bhav because it contains my initials JB, that is Jyoti Budhia. और ये मैंने नहीं बनाया, ये अपने आप बन गया. It's a gift by market to me. In English, you call Jodi Bhav as straddle price. I believe everybody knows options. So basic of option is call and put. When we expect bullishness, we buy call. When we expect bearishness, we buy a put. When we expect bearishness, we can sell a call, write a call. When we expect bullishness, we can write a put. Writing में profit limited, loss unlimited. Buying में profit unlimited, loss limited. बोलना आसान है, हाँ होता नहीं है.
Straddle price means the total of the.
Now, what is straddle? So you have three type of options: in the money, at the money, out of the money. So at the money, इसका call plus put, दोनों का premium together is called as straddle, which is called as जोड़ी भाव. जोड़ी भाव is not saying that I will buy at this and that. Jodi bhav is, I am using Jodi bhav to find the direction of the market. Got it? So to find the direction of the market. How to find out the direction of the market? Now, again coming to the same thing. I have explained in the webinar, but there are new people. I will explain them. March expiry was 19. Sorry, Feb. I'm sorry, Feb expiry Can anybody tell me what was Feb expiry? 792. 10792. So my ATM was 10800. इसका call plus put together was 393. याद है ये आप लोग को? Sorry? Feb expiry 28th of Feb. Okay. If I ask you how Nifty is going to behave in March, ये निफ्टी मुझे एक्सपायरी के दिन बोल के जाती है. 28 फरवरी यानी फरवरी मंथ की वो तो 0 है. On February 28th, March 28th, यानी this is right now I'm talking of monthly. First let me do monthly. Now after this monthly I'll mix weekly also. Don't worry. And how the points coincide, you will enjoy. So the total was 393. What I had heard in the market many times that भाई मंथ खत्म हो जाता है, एक्सपायरी हो जाती है, दूसरे दिन हम लोग 300-400 पॉइंट ऊपर की कॉल्स बेच देते हैं, 300-400 पॉइंट की पुट्स बेच देते हैं. ये सबसे मैं सुनती थी, सबके मुंह से सुनती थी. I used to hear that. My problem was ये 300-400 आता किधर से? इन लोगों ने 300, 400, 300, 400 बोला क्यों? मुझे वो जानना था. ढूंढते मुझे मिल गया. कहां से मिला? ये रहा. Means what is market expecting? That prices can be expiry minus ATM. We'll take plus ATM first. Plus ATM or expiry minus ATM. अगर मैं इन दोनों का रेंज पकड़ती हूं तो विच इज इक्वल टू अप एंड डाउन, दोनों का मूवमेंट पकड़ती हूं तो मार्केट मूवमेंट इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 786 पॉइंट्स. Now this 786 points, how does the market move? It can go to 11185, then come to 10,399, or it can go to 11185 and add again 393. So basically I got 786 ka range. So if I add again this plus this, I'll getting 578. Right? What happened on 1st of March? Please understand it properly. What happened on 1st of March? Market was upside or downside? Upside. Was it open low? What I'm talking from morning? Was it open low? Did it break the low? Means where it will go first. So do I need to buy a put? What should I buy? Or futures? Along with a put. If I buy futures, I'll buy it along with a put. I'll not leave it open. What is my first target? 11185. If it crosses that,
578.
did 11185 cross? So what is my next expectation? This is how I move step by step. Now at 11185 plus minus 50 points, I'll square off my trade. Why I will square off my trade? I don't know. It may reverse. और निफ्टी है, देखते देखते 50 पॉइंट ऊपर नीचे कर देता है. And then see if it is crossing and sustaining 11185. I'll go for the next target.
By ATM put?
See, now comes the part of direction. What we were talking from morning on daily basis, whether it is a open low, whether it is long built up, whether it is short covering. So same way, after expiry in the beginning of the month, I can decide it is a long built up or short built up. If it is moving up, it can be long built up, right? If it is a long built up, first 5% short covering, first 5% कितना होता है? ऊपर देखो कितना होता है? 5%. 11,300 क्रॉस कर गया, तो अभी मैं और 5% ऐड करूं, कितना होता है? 11,600, 11,700, राइट? 11,300 आपका आया, 11,600 आया. Where is my second R2? 578. Now coming to weekly expiry. 7th of Feb. What was the expiry? Sorry. मैं अभी भी फेब में हूँ, कभी फेब कभी मार्च. ये खाली गड़बड़ हो रहा है मेरा. Anyways, आप भाव समझो ना. What was the expiry on 7th of March? Any idea? 11,000? Very good. Chalo. And what was the ATM was 11,100 and इसका जोड़ी भाव was 142.
At the end of the day, we are talking.
Yeah, at the end of the day, next week का जोड़ी भाव was 142. Right? So what will be my first rally? $11,200. What is my this point? R1 11,185. My R2 R1 of weekly कितना आ रहा है? 11,200. Means this point is a resistance for the week of 14th March. 14th March expiry. Right? अगर इसने इसको ब्रेक किया तो किधर जाएगा? 142 और ऊपर जाएगा, राइट? 142 और ऊपर जाएगा, 142 ऊपर, which becomes 111,342. Am I right? 11342, right? 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 Is it above? I'm taking ATM a little ahead. You asked me why I'm not taking 11050 because I'm taking little ahead. थोड़ा सा out of the money means at the money कहलाएगा. You can even take 11050 or 11100. दोनों का calculation of जोड़ी भाव will almost be same, 1 or 2 rupees here and there. So it will not make a big difference. अगर ज्यादा डिफरेंस बनता है तो arbitrages are there to manage it again. So what is this 11342 and it is above this, above my monthly carbon, right? It is above my monthly carbon, above my monthly carbon means I'm expecting what R2 in monthly. Why? Because it is above monthly carbon. What? Weekly. You know where did the expiry happened on 14th of March? Any idea? It happened at 11343. What is my price of R2? What it is telling me? Just tell me what, just ideology I'm asking, what it is telling me. It is above R1. Monthly का R1 के ऊपर है. So I'm expecting R2. Right? Weekly का पिछले week का R2 क्रॉस कर दिया और उसके आसपास ही बंद हुआ. Strength है. And if I take expiry ATM 350, the Jodi Bhav was 135. Right? What was the high of yesterday's market? 135. Why did I get that? Open low, did not break. What was my R1? 135. This was the high of yesterday, that is Friday. Dinchak. Did I tell you all कि Friday को why it went 135 points up? I will tell you. This was the reason. Because what was the indication I was getting? R1 के ऊपर है monthly. Again repeating. R1 के ऊपर है monthly. Weekly closed around R2. And next day so in monthly I am expecting what? R2. It is above R2 of weekly. So can I expect at least R1 of weekly? Right? Yes or no? And Friday itself, we were trading and when it opened 40 points up, something like that, we got an idea. क्या? 135 up हो सकता है. अगर 135 हो सकता है तो what should I do? Short? Long? And when my point achieves, what should I do? I told you all I'm out. एक बार के लिए out and then see the direction. And what is R2? I'll again repeat it. Don't worry. What is R2? What is R2? Weekly का R2 is 613. Monthly का R2? Can I expect this rate by Holi? See, now you all are only telling yes. Because now you are able to link what I was telling from the morning. Yes, Mr. Harish?
If it is not breaking the low.
If it is not breaking the low.
So you are expecting going up next week.
I'm expecting. I'm not guaranteeing, I'm expecting.
But current is 426. Right?
425 पे बंद हुआ. टच किधर किया?
78.
That was the exact R1. So I'm still there. The moment it crosses 78, then only I will buy. Till then I will not buy. But then what will be my target? At least 578.
That low did not break. You're talking about weekly or what is it? That the low does not break. Okay, first day on a Friday, when you start off, what exactly do you do Friday? First.
Okay, I'll repeat the whole scenario again. Okay, I'll put this in different way.
15 last
One
Friday,
second.
What did you do?
1 second. I will put it again in a very simple way. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, remove it.
Now clear? This is what?
Could be yes, no, could be change it.
एक मिनट मैं करती हूँ, सब करती हूँ.
These are all spot or future?
Spot I will take because futures I don't know when Nifty comes in premium or discount. So my spot levels touch that and I'm out. Right? Clear everyone now?
So you take position only on Friday after expiry, right?
Yeah.
So
After expiry, but always remember if the month is a broken month, I don't trade on Friday. I will trade only on 1st. If expiry happens on 23rd or 24th, so 5 days I won't trade. I will start my trade from 1st.
so calendar month you
I trade calendar month but use expiry month.
उसका जोड़ी भाव आप 24 तारीख का लोगे पहली तारीख.
हाँ, मैं ट्रेंड उसी तरह से पकड़ूंगी बिकॉज लास्ट 4 डेज क्या होता है, कभी कभी प्राइस जो बीच में रह जाती है ना, उसको एडजस्ट करने में निफ्टी का हो जाता है. सो फॉर द ट्रेंड क्लैरिटी आई यूज फर्स्ट ओनली. गॉट इट?
so you
Not clear, but
If sometimes expiry happens on 25th Thursday, there are still 3 or 4 days, 5 days remaining, I don't trade.
you don't think it's fine. But you take that
I will take the levels, make my sheet ready.
levels of 20th February.
25.
Not 23rd February.
25th expiry day,
25th expiry day.
I will make the sheet ready.
For the month. So you use 25th ka levels. Okay.
Expiry ka levels I will use, but start trading from the beginning of the month.
That is okay. So 3 din is just nothing to do. No data is captured.
Because what happens, many times I've seen, like if my R1 is 11,185, so sometimes what happens, market gets over at 11,120, so still 60 points are remaining, so it goes in that adjustment and all. Better not to do for that 4 days. 1 तारीख से फिर करेंगे ना.
And the same thing applies with the at the money is the same thing will apply, just like you take the close.
Yeah, I take closest one. Yeah,
so again you wait till 10 o'clock for gap up and gap down order.
वो तो रहेगा ही.
14 monthly or
Weekly तो consistently है ही ना. Weekly does not have that. Only monthly has the broken period. वीकली तो थर्सडे है ही है,
तो करना ही है.
हाँ वो तो रनिंग है ही ना. एंड दिस इज JBR2. This is JBS1.
जो भी ऊपर नीचे डे हाई डे लो ऊपर हाई लो कुछ नहीं देखना, फर्स्ट को सेम चीज देखना.
See, 4 days take rest ना और study ना.
ये भी तो कर रहा हूँ.
Weekly अलग है आपके पास, but still take rest for 4 days. No, what's the harm? Why you need?
पर उस वीक का वीकली करना है.
You can now, what I'm trying to tell you, you can do the same calculation for Bank Nifty also in weekly. Only thing is what? Bank Nifty में एक risk बहुत बड़ा factor क्या है कि it is a concentrated index. मतलब 4 और 5 banks में captures around 60 to 70% of Bank Nifty. So it is more riskier than Nifty because Nifty is a diversified index of 50. HDFC Bank and there are 4. So I would rather prefer to trade in that bank. When we trade now, the next question coming is, what should be the stop loss? See, I will take you to the charts and you only tell me what should be the stop loss. I'll take you to Nifty. This is where it is first. 28. 1st March. Gap up opening. Is it gap up opening? No, not understood. What is the close price?
10,792.
Wherever the cursor is, see in the box. Wherever the cursor is, see in the box.
Date on 792.
क्लोज बॉक्स है ना आपको, यहाँ पे बॉक्स दिख रहा है ना, डेटा विंडो, उसमें देखिए क्या दिख रहा है. 28 फरवरी 10792 या क्या रेट पे खुला? 942. हाँ 792 तो 842. गैप अप ओपन हुआ. डिड इट गो बिलो 792? नो. नहीं, आई एम ट्रेडिंग कैश पर कैश. फ्यूचर उस दिन एक एरर आया था. एरर था बिकॉज ऑफ रिलायंस, इट वेंट टू अ वेरी बिग डीप फॉल. दैट वाज अ एरर ट्रेड. Even Reliance had fallen first March. Yeah, it went to 1110 something.
रिलायंस में उसको बहुत चांसने का.
हाँ कुछ तो वो मुझे नहीं मालूम. But that was an error trade. That is why I take cash. I don't take F&O. Right? So based on okay, if you are not comfortable trading over here, I was comfortable. Why? I'll explain you that. If you are not comfortable, don't trade. But I was comfortable. Why I was comfortable, I'll explain you. इसके बाद मुझे क्या डायरेक्शन मिला? लो नहीं तोड़ा. So what direction did I get? It will go up or down. So can I buy a call? What will be my stop loss? Below expiry? Yeah, below expiry.
You buy a call of ATM.
Any call, whichever you want. I will prefer ATM only. What was expiry? 792. So below expiry, I can keep a stop loss. 10,775 ka I can keep a stop loss.
Future or
Bank. I'm talking of Nifty spot. At that time, whatever is the option price. Whatever is the option price at that time, when it is 10,950. Can I keep that as a stop loss? Closing basis, Gunjan sir, I will use only if it is not breaking this. Otherwise, I can use regular. Got it? If it is going below this, तो फिर तो कुछ भी stop loss होने दो. I will go immediately because what it has done, it has broken the low of yesterday. मतलब उसमें weakness आ गई है. Right?
You go short. You go
Huh?
Law of expiry date.
Yeah.
yesterday. So you go for short.
Yeah. And what you can see? Can you see RSI going up, and it has crossed, RSI has crossed 70.
This position you are taking from monthly.
Yeah. Do I see it? No, daily.
No, I mean the monthly expiry.
या मंथली एक्सपायरी को अब मैं डेली के साथ मिक्स कर रही हूँ. आपको कहीं भी डाइवर्जेंस दिख रहा है? कोई डाइवर्जेंस नहीं है? वन सेकेंड, लेट मी कंप्लीट. कोई डाइवर्जेंस दिख रहा है? नहीं दिख रहा है. नहीं दिख रहा है ना? अच्छा, नाउ माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. 19 फरवरी 604 पे बंद हुआ था. वहां से क्या हुआ? 5% शॉर्ट कवरिंग. भूल गए? दैट कम्स टू 11,100. व्हाट इज माय फर्स्ट जोड़ी भाव? So 5% I can expect for short covering. Once it, and from past December onwards, if you notice, यहाँ से, that was 11 December, the result had come, right? 11 December results came. 10,333 मारा था निफ्टी ने. I'm not audible. Karan bhai. Okay, 1 second. Audio lost. हाँ. Now audible. Now audible. Yeah. December 10,333 मारा था लो. और वही लो था बिकॉज खुलते ही इमीडिएटली ऊपर ले लिया. जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर मार्केट वाज इन फुल मूवमेंट. आई विल एक्सप्लेन दैट अगेन. सो यहां से मैंने क्या देखा? इट इज नॉट क्रॉसिंग. आरएसआई ने भी डाइवर्जेंस नहीं दिया. सेम आरएसआई है तो डाइवर्जेंस नहीं दे रहा है. एंड इफ यू सी, ये इसी में 3 महीने तक साइडवेज हो गया. 6 months मूवमेंट, 3 months साइडवेज. हाफ पीरियड जो अपने बात हुई थी वो 11 दिसंबर के बाद कब खत्म होता है? 11th March. व्हाट इज द ब्रेकआउट डे? नहीं. मैंने कहा था आप 2 दिन अगर भागते हो तो 1 दिन रेस्ट का चाहिए ना. तो 6 month के लिए मार्केट भागा था. 3 month रेस्ट में चला गया. 12 मार्च को तेजी पकड़ ली. वो मुझे नहीं, मैं वो नहीं बोल रही हूँ. जब तक भागेगा मैं उसके साथ में हूँ. और भागेगा मतलब अपसाइड ही नहीं भागेगा. अप डाउन दोनों दिखाएगा. क्यों रुलाएगा? ऊपर नीचे आप दोनों एनकैश करो. मैं आपको तरीका बता रही हूँ ना. अगर ये ऊपर जा रहा है, डिड आई एक्सप्लेन यू ऑल इन वेबिनार हाउ डिड इट हैपन? ओके, आई विल रिपीट अगेन द होल वेबिनार. इन 10 minutes आई विल रिपीट द होल वेबिनार. ओके, यहां से क्या हुआ था? 11th मार्च को क्या देखा? 11th मार्च को ओपन एंड लो सेम, राइट? 5% कंप्लीट कर चुका है. तो कहां चला गया अभी वो? लॉन्ग बिल्टअप. शॉर्ट कवरिंग से लॉन्ग बिल्टअप में चला गया. और क्या चाहिए? टक्का आप जानो. हाँ, निफ्टी में थोड़ा कम ज्यादा हो सकता है. हाँ. सो नाउ फ्रॉम योर माय फर्स्ट टारगेट इज, अच्छा चलो यहाँ से 10% पकड़ो. कितना होता है? लेट अस टेक 10%. व्हाट हैपेंस फ्रॉम योर? कम ऑन, नो 1100 ठीक है, कितना है फिगर याद रखना, बाद में बात करेंगे आफ्टर 1 मंथ। हाँ 8 हाँ राइट, गैप डाउन खुला नहीं नहीं, 1 मिनट, गैप डाउन तो खुल गया, लेकिन मंथली क्या बता रहा है अब? तो मेरा अभी तक एसएल हिट नहीं हुआ है मंथली का, तो मैं बच्चे की बात सुनूंगी कि दादाजी की बात सुनूंगी? हाँ, तो दादाजी का स्टॉप लॉस अभी है किधर? तो दादाजी क्या बोल रहे हैं कि शॉर्ट कवरिंग तो हो गई, अब लॉन्ग बिल्टअप में जा सकता हूँ। अच्छा, दूसरा मुझे पता है अगर 6 महीने निफ्टी ने भागा दौड़ी की है और 3 महीना साइलेंट है, तो ये महीने में क्या पॉसिबिलिटी है? If it breaks 6, if it, because what I was saying 10,600 ठीक से तोड़ नहीं रहा था from past 3 months and 11,100 तोड़ नहीं रहा था from past 3 months. It was ranging between 10,600 and 11,100, and where it is near, tell me sir, 8th March, above 11,000, below 11,000. So what should I do? Wait for a day to take a trade? थोड़ी साइकोलॉजी मिस्टर इंडिया की अपने को लगानी पड़ेगी, थोड़ी सी। आई एम नॉट मेकिंग इट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग यू अंडरस्टैंड कि मेरा 5% भी हो गया, 11,000 क्रॉस भी हो गया, वी आर एट द टॉप ऑफ दैट रैली ऑल्सो। नाउ एटलीस्ट वेट फॉर वन कंफर्मेशन। अच्छा, व्हाट वाज इट? ओपन हाई? वाज इट ओपन लो? सो मीन्स नो ट्रेड ऑन 8th। 9th को क्या हुआ? 9th को, सॉरी 11th को, हाँ गैप अप है, उसने 8th का गैप मतलब जो क्लोज प्राइस है उसको टच किया, तो फिर क्या करूं मैं? बाय? नहीं, आप 8th को सेलिंग का पॉइंट बताओ मुझे। चलो, अगर आपने पुट बाय भी कर लिया तो एसएल हिट हो गया। अच्छा, 1 सेकेंड, या अभी एक्सपायरी किधर हुई थी? 7th को क्या रेट पे हुई थी?
1105।
तो आपका यहाँ पे एसएल क्या रहेगा? 11,100। तो आपका एसएल हिट हो गया। If you had not, see, first of all, if there is no open, no high, no low, no close, first thing is that I don't trade. And secondly, monthly मेरा R1 टच कर रहा है, तो डायरेक्शन मुझे पॉजिटिव दे रहा है। बट सपोज इवन इफ यू आर बाइंग अ पुट, आपका एसएल हिट हो गया at 11,100. Now will you go long or will you go short? Seeing this, then picture was clear, right? तो आपको उस दिन, चलो मान लिया मैंने आपका स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गया, उसके बाद आपका चला 135 पॉइंट्स एग्जैक्ट जाके कल घुमा है। नो 135, ये यहाँ पे बंद हुआ ना। Now if you tell me this 14th March, now see the situation of 14th March, it was open high, right? I would have gone for short beta. Yeah, it was open high, I would have gone for short. right? But when will I go for short? ये when it, यहाँ का क्लोज क्या था 341 और यहाँ की एक्सपायरी देख लो क्या है 343.
Last I got it. I can't see that.
It is open high.
So zoom कर सकते हो candle.
This was open high.
Yeah.
Expiry day.
बराबर.
What was my target?
343.
What was my target?
470.
No.
343.
Because you're talking about 7th March or 14th?
Weekly की बात करें.
7th का एक्सपायरी पे 14th का 7th की एक्सपायरी मीन्स 14th वाला वीक ना सर
7th को ट्रेड लिया वो.
नहीं 7th को नहीं लिया 14th को जो ले रहा है.
एक मिनट आप लोग कंफ्यूज हो रहे हैं. हमने 8th को ट्रेड नहीं लिया हमने मंडे को ट्रेड लिया बट ये जो मैंने वीकली एक्सपायरी निकाला दिस इज फॉर विच वीक 14th. तो व्हाट इज माय एक्सपेक्टेशन टिल 14th? 1311342 right?
Yeah.
On 14th March
वहीं से घुमा.
अगर ओपन हाई देख के भी मैं इसको छोड़ देती हूं तो भी चलेगा या 342 का एसएल लगाती हूं तो भी चलेगा. Either way. Got it?
हाँ right.
हाँ. Understood?
Yes.
But did market go below this? No. And RSI is above 70. There is no such thing as overbought or oversold. When RSI is above 70 means all the car is on super express highway. The speed of rise will increase. And if it is below 30, the speed of fall will increase. So what has happened now? ओपन लो और उसके बाद एक ही दिन में 135.
फर्दर बात.
15 नो 15 को मिल गया ना फर्दर नहीं है एक ही मिला अभी तक.
हाँ 470.
ओके जिन लोग को क्लियर नहीं है दोज हु आर न्यू टू दिस आई विल क्विकली ब्रीफ ऑन विथ सम बैक टेस्टिंग. या I'll just quickly brief on with back testing. Okay, December 2017. I'll keep 1 second. I'll remove this.
एक्सेल सीट भी दे देंगे.
ये जो एक्सेल सीट भेजे उसको
तो नीचे आता है. Yes, Amit sir, I've tested JB on stocks also. That will be post lunch. Don't worry. वही तो मिरेकल है भाई. हाँ याद दिलाना क्या मुझे तो याद है आप लोग याद रखना. मेरा तो ट्रेड खड़ा था भाई इसलिए मेरे को तो सब याद रहता है. हाँ हाँ तो मेरे को तो सब याद रहता है भाई. या
What is it? December 17th?
आई एम टेकिंग अ बैक टेस्टिंग. December 17 की एक्सपायरी थी 10477.
You're taking back.
हाँ I taken in webinar also. Again I am taking. हाँ 17 एक साल से टेस्ट करवा रही हूँ आपको मैं टेस्टिंग में कहीं कोई कमी नहीं छोड़ रही हूँ गॉट इट हाँ आप ये नहीं बोलो कि अरे तो दोस्त दो आपको एक पूरा साल का राउंड देती हूँ जिससे आप ये नहीं बोलो आपको ये आप ये नहीं बोलो कि भाई 3 महीने में समझ में नहीं आता गॉट इट so the premium was 350 ATM was 10,500 premium was 350 nobody talking in between just listen to me everyone all their mics mute listen to me very carefully if you miss out this you won't be able to understand the second session also so be careful understand it very properly 350 what I say equal to
Hello?
no sorry I'll go to R1 equal to this plus this right R2 equal to this sorry
No. 1087.
equal to this 10 plus this got it any doubt till here I don't think so anybody will have a doubt
You also do
I'll do that S2 also don't worry सब करके देती हूँ मैं अभी आपको और भी अच्छे तरीके से करके देती हूँ आप बिल्कुल चिंता ना करो this लेकिन क्या है कैलकुलेशन एक बार सबको समझ में आ गया ना उसके बाद मजा आएगा and that is why I'll be giving you all videos so you all can understand
It is an Excel sheet. Excel.
क्या एक्सेल शीट
ये वाला Excel sheet.
तो वीडियो है तो बना सकते
वीडियो है ना
Stop loss 2, how did you get that?
no not stop loss support 2
सपोर्ट टू
it is not stop loss see what it is how did I get this expiry price minus the jodi bhav and this I will get this price minus the jodi bhav right yeah. So what we will do is 1 second I'm explaining you अभी आप चिंता मत करो कि आपको क्या करना है अभी आप सिर्फ ध्यान दो कि क्या करना है these are all resistances R1 R2 supports अभी आप सिर्फ देखो मार्केट चलता कैसे है बाकी सब छोड़ दो ठीक है here I will be putting high low what was R2 this is R2 yes everybody agree to me this is R2 high of January 2018 18 December 17 के बाद January 18 दो एक्सपायरी मंथ का हाई वाज 11,110 तो मैंने क्या कहा एक्सपायरी हो गई थी 24th या 25th को बट आई एम नॉट टेकिंग 5 डेज बिकॉज ये जो बचा हुआ अमाउंट है वो एडजस्ट होने में लगता है देन आई ट्रेड फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट डे ओके बट हाई ऑफ जनवरी वाज 11,171 व्हाट डिड आई डू
मैडम ये क्या लिखा है
जनवरी का हाई है एक्सपायरी का हाई है
हाई लो डाल दीजिए
अब ठीक है? हाँ सर, अब ठीक है?
175 ना, आपने 110
25 तारीख के बाद हुआ।
वो मंथ का हाई वॉज 1171, बट वी आर ट्रेडिंग एक्सपायरी। एक्सपायरी का हाई क्या था? 11110। गॉट इट? जैन एक्सपायरी, जैन 2018। अब यहाँ इसके पहले मैं आती हूँ। ये 10477 पे बंद हुआ दिसंबर। आई हैव कैलकुलेटेड फॉर January. So how I look at January? January should not be below December.
If it is going up.
If it is going up and if it is above the expiry price, what should I do? I should buy a call, right? Arun sir, Gunjan sir, on this webinars, friends? Yes. So if it is above the expiry price के नीचे मेरा SL रहेगा and I can go long. My first target R1, my second target R2. Got it? Okay. January expiry 11069, 11,100. जोड़ी भाव was 400. मीन्स कितना हो गया? हो गया? तो मैं इसको जरा नीचे तक ले जाती हूँ तो हम लोग जल्दी कर लेंगे। I'll remove this yellow color. Right? On 1st February was the budget. That is why premium was higher. High volatility, right? तो मार्केट अगर नीचे जाएगा जनवरी में तो मुझे क्या करना होगा? नीचे स्टार्ट हुआ मेरे एक्सपायरी प्राइस से, तो क्या करना है जनवरी में, February 1st को पुट बाय करना है, राइट? पुट बाय करो। माय फर्स्ट टारगेट इज, सेकेंड टारगेट, हाँ एवरीबडी एग्री? 10269, 10276 was the low of February. ये कहाँ से मिला मुझे ये समझ में आया कि लोगों को ये 300, 350, 400 रुपया ऊपर नीचे कॉल पुट क्यों बेचते हैं, क्योंकि उनको लगता है इससे ज्यादा मूवमेंट नहीं आएगा। लेकिन जब डबल मूवमेंट आती है तो कैसे आती है? डबल मूवमेंट में पहले यहां निकल जाऊंगी, इसके बाद क्या हुआ? अगर ये नीचे गया, ओपन हाई मिला या उसने कल का हाई नहीं तोड़ा, तो फिर मैं क्या करूंगी? गो फॉर अ सेकेंड टारगेट। ओके, अगेन इन अनदर वर्ड्स, यहां से 10% कितना होता है? आप भूल जाते हो सब लोगों सब चीजें। पहले 5% में जाओ तो 5% कितना होता है? इतना होता है। और उसके नीचे गया तो कैन आई एक्सपेक्ट दिस? Feb expiry, $10,382, 10,400, 350. Now again I will say price went to 9951 but came back immediately up because 10,000 was difficult point to break. It is a psychological figure. It is a square of 100. 100 is a square of 10. So it's a square of square. So it's a psychological figure. It's not very easy to break. और मार्केट ने दूसरी बात जुलाई 2017 में मार्केट ने 10,000 क्रॉस किया था, फिर नीचे आया, फिर अगस्त में 2017 में 10,000 क्रॉस किया, फिर नीचे आया और फाइनली 12 अक्टूबर 2017 को जो उसने 10,000 क्रॉस किया, इट नेवर केम बैक अगेन. सो 6 months की मजबूत दीवार, कैन इट ब्रेक इट अ मिनट? नो. कमिंग बैक, यहां से 10% कितना होता है? हाई से, टॉप से, लॉन्ग अनवाइंडिंग, इसमें आप पूरा ही 10 पकड़ो. हाँ, पूरे 10 ही पकड़ो, ज्यादा मत पकड़ो. कितना होता है? तो हाउ कैन यू एक्सपेक्ट मोर? टॉप से आप 5% पे चलो ना. एंड मार्च एक्सपायरी happened at what? Any idea? 10,113. You can check it simultaneously. जिसको भी चेक करना है कर लो. मैं चैलेंज भी करने को तैयार हूँ. एक आध पॉइंट प्लस माइनस हो सकता है. यस अरुण सर. डेसिमल्स मैंने गिनती. मुझे डेसिमल्स याद नहीं रहते. आई एम वेरी बैड एट दैट. राइट. तो यहां से 10,150 I can take as ATM. Again, it was around 350. You know what? The best part. Everybody, it was 300 only now. Because event was gone, everything gone, so it was this much. Everybody were waiting for what? 9,000, 9,500. Right? जबकि ये क्या स्टार्ट हुआ था? एक मिनट, पॉइंट मत बोलो, फ्यूचर टर्मिनोलॉजी में बोलो. क्या स्टार्ट हुआ था? शॉर्ट कवरिंग. शॉर्ट कवरिंग स्टार्ट हो गया. 5% कितना होता है? कितना होता है? So the high was somewhere around 10,680. Missed out the rally. इतना ही है ना सर? अप्रैल मंथ हाई 628. ओके, 10,628. ये रैली छूट गई ना 500 पॉइंट की. 5%, 10%, 5%, 10%, 5%, 10%, 5%, 10%. आप भूल जा रहे हो बार बार. What I'm doing now, I'm mixing options and futures and the points together. पॉइंट भी उधर आ रहा है, जोड़ी भाव का. मेरा 5% भी उधर ही आ रहा है, 10% भी उधर ही आ रहा है. ज्वाइन कर लूं दोनों को. इट बिकम्स अ रेजिस्टेंस एंड सपोर्ट. यस हरीश भाई. अप्रैल जाने दो. अप्रैल शांत हो गया, मतलब यहाँ अप्रैल तक मूवमेंट आई. तो कब तक मूवमेंट आई? ये अप्रैल का हाई है ना, राइट? मार्केट कितने महीने जंप किया? जैन, फेब, मार्च, अप्रैल, राइट? ये मार्च में लो मारा था इसने, हाई नहीं मारा था. 9951. Then I explained the psychology behind that. जैन फेब मार्च अप्रैल 4 महीने का मूवमेंट है। हाँ, मार्केट साइडवेज चला गया तो कितने दिन तक जाएगा? 2 महीना। अरुण सर चेक करो, जिसके पास चार्ट है चेक करो, मई और जून was totally sideways.
Hello.
May and
Hello.
June full totally sideways. Yes. So let us take now June expiry. We'll start from June expiry. 2018 10 54 589. Right है sir? Got it? So what is R1? What to do in sideways? See, after 4 months, when it is going in sideways, you know now 2 months of a sideways, do writing part. ऊपर का और नीचे का now 300 ऊपर का writing, 300 नीचे का call writing, 300 नीचे का put writing. Short strangle. Or you can make iron condors. At the end of April, how will you know? Premium है ना 270, 280 हो गया था. So provided premium reduce, market knows what is going to happen next month. Mr. India जानते हैं ना?
Otherwise, I would have at 4 months. 6 महीने का हो सकता है.
अच्छा चलो, अप्रैल आपको नहीं समझ में आया. अप्रैल मई आपको समझ में नहीं आया.
अप्रैल हमें समझ में नहीं आया.
तो अभी मई साइडवेज हो गया.
मैं एंड में समझा साइडवेज हो गया.
तो 1 महीना और है ना भाई हाथ में. 1 महीना तो खा.
उसके बाद जून के बाद फिर कैसे समझेगा कि ये
2 महीना हो गया ना साइडवेज. अभी ब्लास्ट हो सकता है. अभी ब्लास्ट हो सकता है. 4 महीना मूवमेंट आया, 2 महीना साइडवेज गया तो we'll talk that later. Let me complete this. We will talk that later. I'll explain you everything. Otherwise link टूट जाएगा मेरा पूरा. So what is my R1? 10889. What is my R2? The high of the month was. अभी मैं पॉइंट के साथ दे रही हूँ आपको.
कमिटमेंट लेगी तो
क्या चाहिए मुझे और. Now one thing I will tell you. ये पॉइंट नोट करो. क्या है? रेजिस्टेंस है, मतलब एक पॉइंट है. ये क्या है? सेम पॉइंट है, इसीलिए पार नहीं कर रहा था. That points automatically becomes a resistance and support. How it becomes, I don't know. July 2018. Expiry was 11,167, 11,200. 303 was the premium. What is R1? And what is R2? What was the high of the?
अगस्त का फर्स्ट डे में आके
मुझे अब ये कब का है? जुलाई एक्सपायरी है, तो मुझे ट्रेड कब करना है? अगस्त में. अगस्त में मैंने क्या देखा होगा? जुलाई का लो नहीं तोड़ा, मतलब प्रीवियस डे एक्सपायरी का लो नहीं तोड़ा होगा, ऊपर गया होगा, तो आई प्ले फॉर द फर्स्ट टारगेट.
तोड़ा नहीं होगा, ऊपर गया.
आई प्ले फॉर द फर्स्ट टारगेट. फर्स्ट टारगेट पे मेरी पोजीशन कट, and again it starts going up from the first expiry, I'll go for a
सेकंड आप एक्सपायरी डे वाला लो या हाई थोड़ा वो देखो मैं सोच रहा था वीकली कैंडल
नहीं इतना बड़ा तो नहीं रुक सकती मैं, लंबा हो जाएगा.
तो लास्ट
I don't mind trading 4 times, but I cannot wait for a longer stop loss.
तो you're saying एक्सपायरी डे वाला लो या हाई
एक्सपायरी, हाँ एक्सपायरी डे का लो और हाई. बाय नहीं किया मैंने कुछ भी कॉल एंड पुट बाय नहीं किया है. मैंने कॉल और पुट का प्राइस निकाला है टू सी हाउ द मार्केट विल बिहेव. सी व्हाट इज द थिंग आई एम ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू. व्हेन आई एम ट्रैवलिंग आउटसाइड, I have booked the tickets. When I book the tickets, does it mean I've already traveled? The tickets can get cancelled. But the ticket I have booked means I have made some planning to go out. And where I'm going, I've even booked the hotels, even booked the place, everything. Na? So I'm getting a direction by booking the tickets that this is. So I've not yet booked the tickets. When will I book the ticket?
When it is confirmed.
When it is confirmed. So why confirmation comes that market is going up or down? हाँ, अगर ओपन लो खुला और एक्सपायरी का लो नहीं तोड़ा तो व्हाट इज माय साइड? सो विल आई बाय अ पुट? नो, आई विल बाय ओनली अ कॉल. आप वो भी कर सकते. देखो मैं जब बाय बोल रही हूँ ना, तो यू कैन बाय अ फ्यूचर अलोंग विथ अ पुट, यू कैन बाय अ कॉल और एनीथिंग यू कैन डू. See, it is as how much risk you can bear. I will buy a ATM put. I will buy a ATM put. I'll buy a ATM put if I'm buying a future. Along with the future, I will buy a ATM put. Yes.
एक्सपायरी का नेक्स्ट डे इतना इम्पोर्टेंट है महीने का पूरा ट्रेंड पकड़ने के लिए.
एक्सपायरी के दिन ही पकड़ लेती हूँ. 3:30 बना लेती हूँ चार्ट अपना.
तो डिसीजन
अच्छा, अगर मेरे को रास्ता नहीं मालूम, मैं जाऊंगी कैसे, ट्रैवल कैसे कर? ओके, टेल मी, हाउ मेनी ऑफ y'all coming to the office have used Google Maps? Why did you all come directly? जब मुझे डायरेक्शन ही नहीं मालूम तो मैं चलूंगी कैसे? आई नीड अ गूगल मैप. अब बोलो, दिस इज माई गूगल मैप.
So this the decision you will take the next day or some first day of calendar.
First day of calendar.
So the data you consider for the first day of calendar or is it for the
Expiry. Expiry is my
I
benchmark.
understand.
Expiry is my benchmark.
Decision to move uptrend or downtrend
I will take the decision on first.
on the data of the first day
Yeah, on the data of first calendar day.
till 10 o'clock.
10, 10:30, 11. कभी कभी मुझे 1 तारीख को नहीं मिलेगा, 2 को मिल जाएगा, 3 को मिल जाएगा, जो भी मिलेगा. जब ट्रेंड मिलेगा तभी मैं एंटर करूंगी.
4 दिन का इज नॉनसेंस डेटा, इज नॉट टू बी कैप्चर्ड.
सर वो एडजस्टमेंट्स होते हैं बहुत बार. वो 4 दिन अपना दूसरा काम करो ना. Whatever it comes. See, who are they? Mr. India. Let Mr. India do whatever he wants. Leave him open for the 4 days. उसको जो मस्ती करनी है करने दो. मुझे क्यों फंसना है? मैं क्यों फंसूं उसके बीच में? See, when on the street there is a fight going on between a group, do you stand to watch that? No. Why? Stand and participate in that, na? From some side. No, we don't do that. Why? We don't want to enter all these fights and all. So these 4 days, leave it to them. I want to enter only on first or second whenever I get my direction.
You are always a buyer, not when you never.
No. साइडवेज मार्केट में बाय कैसे करूंगी? तब तो राइटिंग करना पड़ेगा ना. हर महीने घर खर्चा चाहिए ना सर, नहीं तो मेरे घर वाले बोलेंगे पैसा किधर है.
Sideways you decide based on the premium, right?
Yeah. If premium is less,
then sideways. Say less than 300.
no, not less than average premium क्या है उससे नीचे.
Average of how many months?
Now see, not एक बात बताओ, not like that. इस ये कितना टका हुआ, परसेंटेज कितना हुआ, 303, approximately 3%, right? If the premium is 2.5%, means कम है. People are not ready to pay because we are not expecting volatility next month. That means we are expecting sideways next month. As simple as that. Why should I go in all those other terminologies? Premium itself on expiry explains me that next month market is expected to go up, down, or means volatile or sideways.
Average take how much now? Say it is average 300.
3% normal ब्याज, 1.5 for call, 1.5 for put. महीने का इतना ब्याज तो मार्केट मांगती है.
के नीचे है,
हाँ?
साइडवेज ही रहेगा.
नहीं, करीब अगर 2.5% हुआ तो क्या हुआ. अब देखो ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट हम कब देते हैं और कम इंटरेस्ट कब देते हैं. जब हमारा इंटरेस्ट नहीं होता तो हम कम इंटरेस्ट देते हैं कि कम इंटरेस्ट में मिले तो ठीक है. हाँ, कम इंटरेस्ट.
FD become an option value. That is the limit.
Okay. Now, friends, I have never seen market in 2 months giving R2 continuously. Giving R2 continuously. 2 months में R2 दिया ना. देखिए एक और एक ये दो. दोनों महीने में R2 दिया. I've never seen market giving R2 continuously in 2 months.
What do you think?
मतलब मार्केट में बहुत भयंकर तेजी आ गई. ओके, अगेन फॉरगॉट द बेसिक्स. 10,000 का 15% कितना होता है. क्या हो रहा है. हो गया अपना काम. हाँ, क्या हुआ सर. So, one second, sir. August expiry 11,676. 11,700. Premium was 300. हाँ बोलिए सर.
So on that day when you were checking this ATM very top, that day what was the open interest trend and the price trend? That also will matter.
यस, अपने निफ्टी में ओपन इंटरेस्ट नहीं, वो नहीं आता है. लॉन्ग बिल्टअप, शॉर्ट बिल्टअप निफ्टी में नहीं आता है. सो व्हाट आई डू इज एट 7,800 कॉल का हाईएस्ट ओआई खड़ा होगा. एट 11,800 हाईएस्ट कॉल में ओपन इंटरेस्ट खड़ा होगा. यस, कम नहीं हो रहा होगा. नॉट रेड्यूसिंग मीन्स व्हाट. अनवाइंड नहीं हुआ.
अभी तक नहीं. They are absorbing the losses. MTM losses, they are absorbing it. The guys who have shorted it, they don't want to unwind it.
Yeah, means they know that market is not ready to cross 11,800. When I will go above 11,800, when 11,800 का call start getting unwinded, we assume that in Nifty all are writers in options, right? So what can be the highest call over here? 11,800. Got it? So that was also giving me an indication.
Sometimes it may so happen that your price can reduce, but your cumulative open interest does not reduce because those guys are willing to absorb the losses, MTM losses.
No, but when कितना भी MTM losses होगा,
they know it will go up, so for a time being they are willing to absorb.
Agreed, in the money है, लेकिन अगर ऊपर और कोई strike price पे highest open interest खड़ा हो गया तो means even I will have to shift. So, but R2 जनरली R2 क्रॉस होते हुए मंथली का मैंने अभी तक नहीं देखा है. R3 नीचे जाते हुए देखा है, ऊपर जाते हुए नहीं देखा है. Because rising is slow, falling is deeper. S3 देखा है. तो यहाँ पे जब मुझे 1 सितंबर से and I have a proof on 7 September or so where I told people that I am expecting 10,900. Why? 15% कंप्लीट कर लिया, लॉन्ग अनवाइंडिंग स्टार्ट हो गई, 10% नीचे आ जाओ. क्या बोलते हो सर? एंड प्लस में जोड़ी भाव S2 किधर है? 11076 and S3 is below 10,900. Got it? Can I say that fall is deeper than the rise? Agree to me everyone? And the penetration, the fall का जो गिरावट होता है वो फास्ट होता है, स्पीडी होता है. पूरा महीना पकड़ के रखा था. 20 सितंबर 20 सितंबर फ्राइडे अराउंड 115 DHFL की फॉल स्टार्ट हुई. And that from that time onwards, within 3 days, I got 10, 8, 6, 6.
S3 और ऊपर वाला S1
864 का
है ना, जुलाई फेज 1 की है.
अरे वो 11 है.
नहीं मैंने S1
वो छोड़ दो, उधर वो टच नहीं किया, उसको भूल जाओ. And September expiry was 10,977. So 11,000. Again 300. What can be S3? Tell me. $10,077. S3 can be 10,077. S3 can be 10,077. Webinar people. Yes. Everybody agree? And 10,074 was the low of October. पैसा लाओ. What am I doing? I'm just using Jodi Bhav. In short, I have made a pivot out of Jodi Bhav. Nothing else. October expiry. People started talking. क्या? ये तो याद होगा अक्टूबर में सब लोग क्या बात कर रहे थे. 9,000, 8,500 और कोई फिगर. खत्म कर दो निफ्टी को. जीरो पे ले आओ. इट इज सो इजी. I will also agree to what you say, subject to 10,000 तोड़ के दिखाओ. 10,000 तोड़ के दिखाओ. And trust me, check the data. The low was I'm also ready to accept 9,000, but पहले 10,000 तोड़ के तो दिखाए. Because क्या हुआ है? 11,700 से 15% माइनस करो, कितना होता है? मैं कैसे शॉर्ट जाऊं? और क्या यहाँ से जो उठा है अगर 15% ऐड करती हूँ तो कितना होता है? यस सर. नहीं, वॉलेटिलिटी इंक्रीज नहीं हुई थी. दैट वाज द बेस्ट पार्ट बिकॉज पीपल वर स्टिल लॉन्ग में थे. हाँ, तो इसीलिए तो 300 के ही आसपास चल रहा था. 298, 299. आई एम टेकिंग राउंड में 300. Market was expecting it to go down. Yeah, अगर मान लो see, market was not expecting that volatility, but it happened, right? Now, what happened after that? It went up. कितना ऊपर गया था? 10,680. राइट? मिस कर दिया ना, डबल जोड़ी भाव फिर से ऊपर मारा नवंबर में, राइट? और दिसंबर में क्या हुआ? 1033 वहां से साइडवेज चला गया. उसके बाद की मैं बार बार बोल चुकी हूँ. 6 महीना मूवमेंट है ना सर. जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, 15 दिसंबर, तो 3 महीना साइडवेज. Don't think too much. Enjoy the market. See, the one thing always remember, what we dream about the market is not necessarily what will happen. So probability में मैंने count करके रख ली ना probability. Now I'm moving with the market. I'm moving with Mr. India. बस आप ये बोल दो, follow the trend, go with the trend, trend is your friend, everything. If you want to see the same thing on the chart, I will show you of Nifty on the chart. Can you see this? I'll broaden it. March 18, उसके भी पहले देखते हैं. See, December, January, right? March, सब मूवमेंट चल रहा है ना. And then see, 2 महीना again started and see the movements. You can make out the movements and then again. एक ही पिक्चर को जब हम बार बार देखते हैं तो उसमें बहुत सी चीजें दिखती है. I have seen puzzles where they send us a picture saying there are so many people or there are so many animals, try to find out. So we have to look constantly at that picture to find out those animals and those faces and everything, and slowly we start recognizing everything. Same way, if you slowly start seeing the chart consistently, you will start understanding everything from the this. I'm not telling you to understand the pattern or anything, only just see the flow of the prices, up or down. Getting it? Webinar friends, are you all getting me? Let me see if anybody has posed any doubts. And don't worry, instead of 5 minutes, the break happened for 15 minutes. आप बोलोगे नहीं तब तक मैं आप लोग को छोड़ूंगी नहीं. Okay? Don't worry. Mr. Sri Krishna, you asked me the logic behind the straddle. Now you understood what I was trying to say as a support or resistance? Mr. Sri Krishna? Mr. Sri Krishna? Mr. Gunjan, ऐसा है, when we get a view of upside, we can buy a call, we can buy futures along with the put. I always say buy futures along with the put because I don't trade without hedging. Hedging is as important as an insurance which we have for our life. We don't live a single day without term plan. Anybody who lives a day without a term plan? No, because we are scared. Which future? See, future is risky or not risky? Your life is risky, so you have taken a term plan. Sorry? Whatever. So you have taken a term plan because you feel your life is risky, so for the safety of your family. For the safety of my position of futures, I need an insurance. So till my futures position is open, it will be hedged, and if I can't take a hedge, I will not trade. As simple as that. इंट्राडे हो या कुछ भी, आई हैव सीन मार्केट को सर्किट DHFL में भी कितने बजे सर्किट आया था? 115 के आसपास आया था, 50% नीचे. कैन यू बेयर दैट लॉस फॉर 1500 शेयर्स? उनका जाने दो, आप बेयर कर सकते हो बस. तो फिर वो अभी नहीं आते, पहले तो था ना. Strangle writing. Yeah, iron condor I would rather prefer instead of doing a strangle. hedge के बिना मत करो ना. क्या होता है कि अभी ये वॉर हुआ 14 फरवरी को, मुझे थोड़ी ना पता था सुबह 3:30 बजे वॉर होगा. And suddenly market came down and went up. So to avoid all such situations, please don't keep your position open. I don't know intraday, I don't know positional, I know my targets, I know my points.
Jyoti ma'am.
After touching JB R1, it will reverse or it will not reverse, I don't know. So what I will do at that, for the time being, I will square off my trade at R1 and see how it behaves again. If it moves again upwards, I will go for R2. See, it's like pivot. If one pivot is crossed, then that pivot becomes a support or resistance for another point.
Ma'am, एक क्वेश्चन है. हेलो. हेलो.
Strike prices, Mr. Bhupendra, it is that way that even if I take 11,100 or 11,150, it doesn't make much difference because the premium or Jodi Bhav for both will be almost the same, only maybe 2 or 3 rupees here and there, not more than that. Because if there is more difference, then what will happen? The arbitrages will come and do the swapping. क्या व्हाट्सएप पे? Now, on Feb 19, the expiry was 10792. So, on 1st of March, what will I see? The price is above the expiry price or below the expiry price? Just tell me that the price is above the expiry price or below the expiry price. Assume it is above the expiry price. So expiry price के थोड़ा सा नीचे will be my stop loss and I will go for a buy. If price opens below the expiry price, I will buy a put option or go short with a stop loss of above the expiry price. Expiry means 793 was expiry ना? Thursday का close means expiry ना? Yeah.
Hello, Jyoti ma'am. Hello. Hello. Ma'am, can you hear?
Difference, Gunjan sir, difference between calendar high and expiry high. See, we are trading expiry to expiry. We are not trading calendar month. So if I am buying a call for the month of March, it will expire on the month of March, that is 28. It doesn't know 31st is the last day. It knows 28th March is the last day. अब बहुत बार आपने देखा होगा कि 28th को एक्सपायरी होने के बाद 29th को रेट आता है. अगर 29th को रेट आया तो मेरे लिए क्या काम का वो? मरने के बाद लॉटरी लगी तो कोई फायदा नहीं होता है ना. So that is why I use expiry to expiry. And फिर क्या होता है, कभी कभी कुछ डिफरेंसेस रह जाते हैं एडजस्टमेंट्स टाइप के या रेट्स के और के. दे इफ 2-3 days आर रिमेनिंग ना, वो प्राइस को एडजस्ट करने में लग जाता है. सो आई ट्रेड फ्रॉम फर्स्ट बट आई यूज एक्सपायरी टू एक्सपायरी. Yeah. See, after the expiry, how much up you should enter. Expiry day के next day market कैसे open होता है? That we are seeing from the morning in long built up or short built up. What it is opening? It is opening at open low or open high. Based on that we can trade. Huh? And friends, don't worry. एक महीना मैं आपके साथ हूँ. I know what I'm giving you is in a very simple format, and simple things become the toughest with confusions because we are not used to so simple things. Don't worry, I'm there with you for the whole month. और ऐसा नहीं है कि आज सेशन पूरा हो गया तो काम खत्म हो गया. आप ये रिकॉर्डिंग को बहुत देखेंगे, आपको वापस देखेंगे, बहुत कुछ समझ में आएगा. आप मुझसे क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हो और फिर जब मुझे लगा कि क्वेश्चंस कुछ ज्यादा आ गए तो मैं सारे क्वेश्चंस एक साथ ले लूंगी और आप लोग को 2 घंटे के लिए वेबिनार पे बुला के और सारे क्वेश्चंस फिर से डिस्कस कर दूंगी. डोंट वरी, आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. ओके सर? यस मिस्टर अभय? डोंट वरी, आई एम देयर. Okay, I will try to see actually what now I'm trying to combine English and Hindi both. I can understand that there are people who cannot understand English and there are even people who cannot who find difficult in understanding Hindi. So I'm trying to do in both, but still at any place you can, after the training also Tomorrow there is time, you can call me, or after the training also we can speak, not a problem. Okay, don't worry. Acha Virochan sir, you are still confused how to enter into trade. Once I got a support or resistance, what you do at supports? No, I don't buy at supports. I need a confirmation after a support to buy. So when I get a support, what will be the next day I will be looking at? Confirmation. How will I get a confirmation? Either at open low or it is not breaking yesterday's close price. कुछ तो मेरे को confirmation मिलना चाहिए ना. I had that conditions. So from the morning I was saying कि unless and see, support is a signal. It is not a confirmation. Support can break, but even after confirmation also it can break, but still the chance of breaking the support is very easy. Chance of breaking the confirmation is not so easy. Got it, Mr. Virochan? Same way at resistance. And secondly, if you are with your 5%, 10% thing also, and if that point also matches, we will go together. And अभी तो lunch के बाद का session बाकी है ना. So don't worry, जो मैंने वहां पे 15 मिनट डिले किया था, तो 1:15 को लंच ब्रेक था, तो वो मैंने 1:30 को कर दिया. और ये भी अगर स्टार्ट करूंगी 2:15 को. If anybody is finding my voice cracking, don't worry, recording है. See, on Bank Nifty also it works, because in Bank Nifty what has happened, if you can check out Bank Nifty, R2 has already crossed for monthly. And it can even go to R3, because Bank Nifty is concentrated only on 4-5 banks mostly. Nifty को मैंने अभी तक R3 टच करते हुए देखा नहीं है मंथ में. So let's have a lunch break and we will be meeting around 2:20. 2:15 से 2:20 के बीच में. Okay, lunch break 2:20 approximately. I'm shutting down. I have given you all another link. Log in with the second link. Log in with the second link which I have given you all. This link will be closed down. Okay, sir? Bye. See you in the next session.